Hey beauties, welcome to majestybeauties.com, and today we're going to make DIY cucumber oil. So the first thing you're going to need for this cucumber oil is, of course, cucumbers. You're going to need a bowl, some oil. I'm going to use avocado oil, a small jar, and a vegetable peeler. So what we do with this vegetable peeler is go ahead and peel just the skin of the cucumber off. Try not to dig in deep, but we're going to go ahead and peel all of the green of the cucumber. So some of the benefits of the cucumber oil is that it contains anti-inflammatory compounds, it soothes the skin, it nourishes, hydrates, it also promotes growth and stops hair fall. Some ways to use the cucumber oil would be to add to your shampoo, apply to your scalp daily as a growth oil, or mix it in with yogurt and apple cider vinegar for a hydrating mask. So now that we've gotten all of the peel off of the cucumber, I'm going to set this to the side because I'm going to make cucumber juice tomorrow. We're going to get a paper towel and dump all the peels onto the paper towel. And what we're going to do is press out all of the moisture from these peels. You don't want any water or any juice trapped into the peel when you put it in the oil. So what I'm doing now is just pressing out. And you'll know when they're dry enough. You just keep pressing them. So now we're going to go ahead and cut them into small pieces, just enough so they'll fit in a jar nicely. So this will take a second. I'll just go ahead and cut it up into little squares. So now that they're done, I'm going to go ahead and get this little jar. And I think this jar had mushrooms in it. But anyway, what I'm going to do is fill this jar up with the peels that I just cut. And I usually fill it somewhere up, maybe to the top. Not all the way to the top, but just enough so that I can pour the oil in. And I won't need that much oil. So with my avocado oil, I'm going to go ahead and just fill the jar up almost to the top, but just enough to cover over the oil, over the cucumbers. Make sure you cover it with a airtight lid, and basically that's it. And what you'll do is leave this inside of a dark, cool place for about 2 weeks, and then you'll have cucumber oil. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Majesty Hairtique.